My name is Martin McNish.
Throughout
You're joining me
our
here for
careers,
quantitative
we might
methods
find
1 and
ourselves
2.
in difficult
And you're also going to see me again in
situations.
We're beginning our study session.
So let's take a look at a question here. Question goes, in the country of Amalak, the short-term real risk-free rate of return is 5%. The nominal interest rate on a commercial bank's long-term bond is 15%. Analysts in that country are expecting inflation premium to be about 4%, and the maturity premium in the country is about 1%. What is the sum of the liquidity premium and default risk premium for the commercial bond? First thing you're going to notice here is they're not asking you what the nominal rate of return is. If we go back to the last slide here, we see that nominal rate of return is made up of all these 5 different components. And what you're going to find a lot in CFA issued questions is they're going to leave out certain sections of it. And it's your job to identify not only the equation, but completing the correct parts of the equation as well. So let's take a look at this. If we know that our nominal rate of return, I-Y, is made up of the risk-free rate plus an inflation premium plus our default premium plus liquidity and maturity. Let's see what the question gives us. And that's why it's always good on your mock exams, practice questions, on the final exam especially, to begin not only outlining the equation, but then filling in with the information that's given to you. So we know that in this country, the risk-free rate is 5%. It gives us the nominal interest rate on a commercial bank's long-term bond. So it gives us this side of the equation. We have the inflation premium here of 4%, and it also gives us the maturity premium of 1% as well. So what we need to find is our default risk premium and liquidity highlighted right here. So, working through the question, we have 10 plus D plus liquidity. D plus L equals 5%. Answer A.